lunch, brackets, as you do. I mean, Dad doesn't even make it to the top of the road. Pauline! Have we any shoe polish? Can you hear me? Supermarket, obviously. And who was in the next space? Yeah, Swaffham Sam. Really nice little picture of he's in his whole...
And in defiance of those who would have us live in fear.
The head of the Royal College of GPs has warned that it's increasingly difficult to...
A brand new study on the place of kindness in today's world, and we want your help. We're asking what kindness really means, how our brains respond when we're kind, and whether kindness is a soft luxury or